Hey guys, Walter's got up this sweet Doombird 2. Let's get that list 1 through 12. Be patient as Facebook is slow as F tonight. Come on, there you go. 9 o'clock. 1 page of proof. Alright, let's go to random. Green lock. We've got a certificate. Let's refresh it a couple times. There's 1. There's 2. 12 spots. Good luck. Number 9. Come on, you son bitch. There you go, 9 o'clock. Number 9 is Anthony Michael Branham. Congratulations, sir. And maybe we'll finish it off at 9:01. There you go. 9:01. Thanks.